Now that is a sight to see. I've got a kid in the background freaking out, but here we go. The Tankaroo is loaded onto the trailer. Now, the big question, why do we have the STI load on the trailer? Unfortunately, we're not going to the mountains quite yet. We had a mishap. The car currently does not run, but that's not because I blew it up. What happened?
Yesterday, got the car finished up, building all the anti-rotation and everything, and we tested, went down the road. I always pull the keys out because just in case the car goes dead or door locks or whatever, and I totally spaced that I set the keys on the trailer as I was getting out because I started tying down the car, and so we lost the keys to the car.
So currently right now we are en route to our local Subaru dealership, which is awesome. We're gonna take the Tankaroo, the Subaru, on snow tracks to the dealership, and hopefully we can get a new key cut because these are chipped keys. So that is today's mission, bringing the STI to Subaru to try to get a key to make the car running again. Now we've made it to our local Subaru dealership. Let's go ahead, head on inside and see what they can do for us. Thank you, thank you. We're gonna be taking up to the mountains. We're here because we ran into an issue. We need a new key cut. I lost the key.
Seeing at the gas station, I was just showing everybody, I'm like, dude, can we do this? I'm like, this is cool.
It's pretty unique.
Dude, it's outside parts right now. It's outside parts.
It should be the world's first. Like Ken Block did, his were mat tracks that they put on his car, and so these are backcountries, which are a snow only. They're a high fact system like a snowmobile. These are a deep powder snow.
Got the whole dealership out here. We need to go inside and do like paperwork or anything, like stuff like that.
We can go inside. I just need the registration.
Or no, they need to go through service.
It doesn't have to be. That's
It's an 07. It should be chipped.
Oh, that is true. Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, I believe it is a chip.
Okay, so then probably service then. Yeah, I'll walk you guys over to
That
service.
or
Okay. Got the whole dealership out here. It's crazy.
Regardless, I'll be the one cutting it, but.
Okay, perfect. Do you guys have keys here in stock?
Do you have the
do
VIN?
order it?
Do you have the VIN here?
The VIN's on the car.
Let me go take a.
Okay.
Let me go take a picture of it. I will go check if we have it in stock, and then you'll have to service.
Okay, perfect. If worst case, I might be able to get an uncut key here. As long as I get the car running, that's all I care about right now. Yeah. I don't anticipate my order. Do you have an uncut keys for the section?
I doubt it. Yeah, thank you so much for your help.
Huge help here. Yeah, awesome. I'll get in contact with them.
It's kind of funny, Remy. You know, most people put these on to go off-roading, but we don't do that. Yeah, we do the real way.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
This place is awesome.
Yeah, that was sweet.
Extraordinarily helpful.
Yeah.
Pull up. Everyone loved it.
I really like when people have solutions. You know, they don't just go, oh, well, they start making phone calls and get on the horn, and they made it happen for us. So we got a number, and now we're gonna call it and see if we can get the guy out to my shop today and
Hopefully.
burn a key for us.
Devin is his name.
Devin. I believe in Devin.
XTV extreme cold. I will be unavailable. Thank you and have a good day.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
It's not what we want to hear.
That's not our friend today.
No. I'm in such a good mood right now. Everyone loves this, but let's go ahead. We're gonna head over to Trax Brax. I called a couple mobile key places, hoping to hear back. Keep our fingers crossed. Now we have made it to another dealership. One of the employees at the Subaru dealership was not able to get the key in time, so they gave us a phone number to call. This dude right here, Car Keys Express. So we're meeting him here, and hopefully he can get this key cut. Now, even though we're at a Toyota dealership, we're getting some eyes on the Subaru. That's while we're waiting to get the key cut. Jesse, Traxbrax, he designed this whole, he made all of this possible, as you guys saw in the previous video. Now, I mentioned he still had a ton of work ahead of him before he could take this thing to mountains, but he completed the anti-rotation.
The biggest part is completed. So the anti-rotation, so these tracks will work to go over terrain, but not flip all the way over, and have their limitation points, and all the bracketry and the arms, and that's all completed now.
Take a look at what he designed here. This arm is the whole anti-rotation assembly. It is crazy looking. So, I mean, to sum it up, the whole essence of the anti-rotation is to make sure, because we're not dealing with a circle wheel anymore that just spins. We're dealing with a whole track.
All this frame needs to stay without, you know, going too far one way or the other. Track comes up and down, will be compressing and springing. So, like, let's say this track goes airborne, this track's going to stay right where it's at. You know, it's not going to go wing or, you know,
swinging into the chassis and stuff like that. All right, we ran into another issue. This isn't a USA car. Completely space of mind. Don't know why this would matter. This car is, it's not a US car. This car was actually imported from Canada, hence why there's so much rust that you guys are not able to see on the camera. We're not able to get a key cut. We have our key dude on the phone with Subaru. It's not even pulling up this car in the system, as it's not a USA car. This is actually, this is a pretty big deal, because now I'm not sure if we can get a new key. This right here is our telltale sign. It does not say confirms to all US.
I appreciate. Yeah. Do we need to pay anything?
US is the big thing that this is missing. As you guys know, that's why we have our whole import law, the 25 years thing, is because the US and Japan have different regulations. This is crazy. All right, well, we have one last ditch hope here. I'm gonna go ahead and follow Jesse to our third stop of the day. YouTube video just got a whole lot more interesting. All right, we've made it to another locksmith. Cross our fingers, we're able to get a key for my STI. Well, we got our first attempt here.
Remy's attempting key number 1.
Is it RD?
We're at, where are you guys? AJ Locks?
Locksmith.
Al Locksmiths. They're amazing people to deal with. Is that a no-go?
No go.
All right.
But it works for the door.
Oh, I can try the door. Let me just, yeah, it doesn't turn. It goes in, obviously, but. It's turning, yeah. It works for the door. Is that a good thing?
So I'll cut the second option.
Okay.
Okay.
Option number
We
2.
got the door.
Door down, ignition to go.
It was like 6 different options.
5 different options. So that was 1, so we got 4 more tries.
Unless it works on the
second
works,
one. Yeah.
And I was over here about ready to throw this car in a full blown out standalone. I was already like messaging Haltech. I'm like, I need that Nexus for this STI.
Yeah, we need it now.
I'd take my Honda's Nexus.
Take the brain off the Honda.
All right, well, this place is coming clutch. If you guys are in the Spokane area, you guys need a locksmith.
Al's Locksmiths.
These people,
Very nice people.
They're legit.
Yeah, he was
And they're gonna
really
save the day.
stoked on the build, and yeah, they're helping us.
this has been hours.
Yeah.
And this was supposed to be just a dumb little YouTube video. Now it's actually, there's an actual problem that we need to get fixed. So he's gonna go ahead and cut the second key. We'll give it a go.
You know those things with like the old radio host where you get a key and you go in the car, and if it fired up, it was yours, like the giveaway.
I'm not that old.
Shut up.
All right, Jesse's gonna hop in here, give our second attempt to go here. I'm gonna be pissed if it works for you. Actually, no. Then we're done with this. Then the car works.
Go get something to eat. I'm hungry.
No. Is it dead?
No, it's not firing. moving
All
in the
right, we're
direction.
quite excited here. So it turns out it was cranking, did not start obviously, but it turns out it is a chipped key, but he seems to make
What
it
is
seem like
your
it's not that
name,
big of a
sir?
deal.
Greg?
Yeah.
You guys
Greg,
need to come see Greg. 2 tries, he nailed her. When other
Come
people
bother
in
Greg.
town couldn't even get a key made.
no.
2
So
tries, he had it turning over, but now we just need to do a chip.
thank you. I appreciate it. Getting love everywhere. Yeah, seems like he makes it seem like it's not that big of a deal. Hopefully we can get it chipped key made.
Oh, we're in business now. Look at the love that people.
It's awesome. We're just in the middle of nowhere right now.
We're gonna probably cause a car wreck.
All right, our first chipped key attempt here.
Yeah. Greg, you're your weight in gold, buddy. You're
crazy. This is pretty cool.
cool. The old remote start trick.
Without a remote start now, but
Yeah, I will pay to have one extra of those made. Like, you keep one, I keep one.
and there we go. All day later, we made him make us a spare key. One's going with me, one's going with him. But there we go. The STI is back up and running, going back over to Trax Brax to finish up a few things. And then next weekend,
That's the
next
game
weekend,
plan.
we're gonna see this car up in the mountains.
The biggest thing is
tearing
just
it up.
charge pipes and doing some more clearance, but the only thing really holding us back right now is charge pipes.
Whose car is that?
Right here.
Badass.
Thank you. It's pretty sick.
My son and I just built an STI about a year ago,
Okay.
and now he's cruising it around. And is that a 06?
07.
07?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is a 06. Same
Oh, that's
color,
awesome.
same
Oh,
color.
sweet.
You gotta send him a photo.
Huh?
You gotta send him a photo.
Do you mind?
No, take as many photos as you want, man.
Are you sponsored?
I do have sponsors, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So Jesse has a few more things, charge piping, stuff like you mentioned, but the car runs.
Car is running.
That's
Back
the biggest
to
thing.
I can't thank you enough, Remy. Sorry for putting you through a day of, it screwed both of our days up. But
Yeah, we got a little fun video out
yeah,
of it.
we got a little fun video. So off to next week, man. Wait until you see this come.
Yes. 1 week.
One
Wow, almost a week, yeah? Because today's Friday. 1 week, baby.